In a world where innovation converges with technology, the art of engineering emerges as a complex symphony. Each decision resonates with others, demanding a maestro, systems engineering. This approach choreographs the orchestra of tasks, disciplines, and teams in today's ambitious engineering projects, creating a symphony of synchronicity. Systems engineering underpins project management, ensuring every component moves in unity with the grand design. This discipline empowers professionals to master complex challenges with clarity and precision. Join us as we explore the facets of systems engineering, from its guiding processes to real-world applications, unraveling how it fosters a balance between innovation, functionality, and sustainability. Our exploration starts here, illuminating the field's critical role in mastering complexity. Envision a realm where systems engineering interweaves innovation, vision, and expertise. It stands as a transformative power, guiding engineers through each lifecycle phase, ensuring projects mirror the blueprint of efficacy. As we journey through systems engineering, its role in integrating specialties becomes clear, extending beyond traditional boundaries to champion collaborative innovation. We'll continue to unravel this dynamic discipline, revealing its foundational impact on structuring chaos and carving pathways for progress. As we delve into systems engineering's core, we encounter the essential processes that shape successful development. Requirements engineering serves as the foundation, marrying user needs with technical specifications to guide the system's architecture. The design phase then acts as a blueprint, detailing the relationships between each subsystem. Integration harmonizes these components, turning individual parts into a cohesive whole, while testing ensures reliability and performance before deployment. Together, these processes construct the innovations of our contemporary world. Up next, we'll witness these principles in the aerospace sector, where precision and integration reach new heights. Exploring the stars requires meticulous systems engineering, the linchpin in the aerospace sector's quest for innovation. We examine a case study highlighting systems engineering's ability to unite diverse disciplines, all while mitigating the risks of space's unforgiving environment. This process is not just a mission to reach the stars, but a commitment to transcend known boundaries. As we proceed, we turn our lens to the healthcare industry, where systems engineering becomes crucial, optimizing operations where precision equates to saving lives. In healthcare, systems engineering choreographs a precision dance of care. We look at a hospital case study where patient flow is as rhythmic as a clock. Here, systems engineering translates urgent needs into effective processes, heightening patient care and satisfaction. Efficiency and empathy, crafted by the principles of systems engineering, signify evolution in healthcare management. As we advance, we'll explore how the ingenuity of systems engineering is adapted across various sectors, each presenting unique challenges and innovative opportunities. Central to systems engineering is the suite of software tools that transform ideas into digital reality. Robust modeling and simulation not only pave the way for visualization, but ensure system integrity through rigorous testing. Our next leap takes us to sustainable practices, where engineering harmonizes with environmental stewardship, paving the way for solutions that endure in both form and function. The essence of systems engineering extends to sustainable practices, with a commitment to designs that gracefully coexist with our environment. By embedding sustainability in project phases, the outcomes are economically sound and socially considerate. As we lean into the next segment, remember this legacy of foresight and responsibility, which engineers must uphold to fulfill both our present and future needs. Further exploring systems engineering, we encounter the human element. Human factors engineering ensures that systems are designed with user comfort and safety in mind. This discipline blends ergonomic and psychological considerations into innovation. It emphasizes a user-centric approach rooted in feedback, leading to systems that enhance and complement human capabilities. Our next chapter will delve deeper into the impact of systems engineering as it imbues technological advancements with a human touch. Throughout our exploration of systems engineering, we've traced its principles and seen its impact across various domains. As we gaze into the future, emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things signal a new era. These advancements herald a transformation, redefining systems engineering from a set of methodologies to a beacon for evolution. Systems engineers are becoming visionaries, shaping a harmonized future where innovation thrives. Let's embrace this unfolding change, ready to fashion a world that transcends today's horizons. The path of a systems engineer is woven from threads of knowledge and unyielding pursuit of innovation. Beginning with foundational education, it transcends into practical challenges. Wrote, fostering continuous growth. The systems engineer's role constantly evolves with technology, requiring a dedication to lifelong learning. From academic pursuits to on-the-job experiences, every step refines the mastery of orchestrating complex systems. As we envision the future, embrace the systems thinking that will be vital in shaping our world.